How to enroll to Zelle on TD Bank. Tap the Zelle quick link. To enroll, you'll need a TD Bank personal checking or money market account and your email address or US mobile phone number. Tap Get Started button. Review and accept the terms and conditions for send money with Zelle. You can choose the email address or US mobile number. Continue to have a verification code sent to your mobile number. Enter the 6-digit verification code sent to your mobile phone. Tell them which account you will like to use to send and receive money. Confirm account to complete sign up. You are now enrolled to use send money with Zelle. Hope you understood the topic. Thanks for watching the video.